Dear students, let's jump to another subtopic or element of weather which is called cloud. Cloud, this is the relative larger particles of water formed after the water vapor to have been saturated in the atmosphere and condensed. As I told you, the meaning of water vapor, this is related to the subtopic of humidity. When the humidity is rising up, or the air which is consisting of dampness or water vapor rising at the high altitude and to be condensed, this is called cloud formation. They are larger than fogs, mainly are formed in high altitude above the ground. Therefore, there is two terms here you have to remind yourself: cloudy and fog. And the fog we will describe more wherever we reach to the subtopic called precipitation. Therefore, cloudy, as I told you, that this is the amount of water vapor rise up or saturated in the atmosphere and condensed, or after to be rising up, it should be condensed. Thereafter, the condensation can cause for the droplets of rain, and wherever will be dropping, that will be the subtopic called precipitation, and they have not yet to reach on it. Therefore, you have to wait for subtopic of precipitation. They are larger than fogs, mainly are formed in high altitude above the ground. Therefore, fogs is the smallest particle of water vapor which is not above the cloud. Or fogs is taking place nearby the earth's surface or nearby the ground. But cloud is forced with strong winds to high altitude and make condensation or saturation and condensation. But fogs is reaching at a low distance or at a low height and cause for saturation and condensation. But fogs, it consists of small dampness, but cloud is consisting of large amount of water vapor. Cloud is classified into two parts, which is according to appearance and according to height of formation. Let's start with according to appearance. The cloud formation, according to appearance, it could be blue in nature, black in nature, gray in nature, or black in nature. But according to height of formation, this is categorized into four parts, which is high level cloud formation, which starts from 6,000 up to 12,000 meters, which is approximated to 6 up to 12 kilometers. The second one is mid or middle level cloud, which starts from meters, which is up to 2.1 kilometer up to 6 kilometers. And the low level cloud formation, which will be below 2.1 kilometers. And the first one is cloud of great vertical extent, which starts from 1.5 to 9 kilometers. This is the 1,500 meter up to 9,000 meters. Okay, I have to remind you that according to vertical structure of atmosphere, we have different layers. As I told you, we started with the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and the thermosphere. But most of cloud formation is taking place to the area of troposphere, which started from 0 up to 18 kilometers above sea level. But although troposphere starts from 0 up to 18 kilometers, but most of cloud formation starts from 0 up to 12 kilometers. Is not increasing either to 13 or 15. No, is extending, or 12 kilometers is the limit level of cloud formation and rising up to the Earth's surface. Therefore, the formation of cloud formation or the formation of cloud is taking place to the area of 0 kilometers up to 12 kilometers and then is not reached to the end of troposphere, which is 18 kilometers. Let's study with a classification of of cloud according to height and its appearance. For instance, at high level cloud at high level, these are the ones which are in highest level, and they start with zero forms. Therefore, at high level at the cloud formation is taking place to the high level, and the cloud which is taking place to the area of high level is start with the word zero. And at high level cloud, there are three clouds, which is cirrus, cirrocumulus, cirrostratus. Cirrus, these are clouds which taking place to high level at the area of 9 kilometers up to 12 kilometers. And here it consists of different layers according to appearance, which is cirrus, cirrocumulus, cirrostratus. Cirrus is feathery whitish in nature. Feathery, this is likely to feathery of animals which are whitish in nature. Kama meupe, kama majivu, yani kama muunganikano wa weupe na weusi, which is feathery is nature. But cirrocumulus, which taking place at the high level, which is starting at 9 up to 12 kilometers above sea level, this is white in nature. White, this is according to appearance. Therefore, cloud formation which is taken to high level can be white in nature or can be feathery in nature. But there is this cirrostratus in layer. Cirrostratus, this is the part of high level cloud formation which taken to high level and are blue in nature. Therefore, you can determine yourself that there is some cloud which are blue in nature and they are very far away from the surface. Middle level cloud, this starts with the atom. The middle level is starting to the area of 60 up to 9 kilometers. 60 kilometers up to 9 kilometers. And the cloud, according to appearance, which is taking place to this layer, is called atomini middle. Therefore, at atoll, or the cloud which taking place to the mid, which is starting from 60 to 9 kilometers, is attocumulus and attostratus. Attostratus, this is the water cluster in the atmosphere below the attocumulus, appears in layers and usually indicating fair condition. Fair condition, this is the condition which have no any harmful. Therefore, it can be blue in nature. And wherever the cloud formation, according to appearance, will be blue, therefore even the influence of rainfall will be impossible. That's why it's called fair. Attocumulus. Attocumulus, these are the cloudy intercrustal in the atmosphere below the cirrostratus, which are massive in nature. Massive, this is the situation of consisting of dampness, although it can cause for the droplets of rain or cannot cause for droplets of rain. They mainly look gray and indicate fair weather condition. Gray ni kama majivu and is taking place ni kama majivu and it is taking place to the area of mid or to the atoll, which is called attocumulus. Let's look at low level cloud. Low level cloud formation is starting from 2.1 kilometers up to 60 kilometers. This level is consists of 3 cloudy under this category, which is stratus, nimbostratus, and the cirrocumulus. Stratus, this is below the stratocumulus. In the atmosphere, they is white and are usually indicate fair weather condition. Are white and usually indicate fair condition. This stratus, this is taking place to the area of 2.1 kilometers up to 60 6 kilometers above the sea level, and it consists of what in nature, which is fair in nature. Nimbo stratas. Nimbo means rain. Therefore, most of the rain formation is taking place which are blacker in nature. And wherever you observe yourself at the sky, there is blacker cloud. Therefore, automatically the rain will appear in the air surface. Therefore, this is the kind of cloud which taking place to the low level and they can cause for the formation of rain. But stratocumulus, this is the kind of rain or is the kind of cloud formation that taking place to the low level of cloud formation, and they are blue in nature, which is indicating fair condition. And the most of cloud which are blue mostly is indicated fair. You cannot run to go home to bring or to collect grains which have been spreaded or clothes because they are blue. But wherever will be black in nature and there is formation of rain, therefore, even if you have been forgotten some grains outside of your home place, therefore you will go quickly to collect it because the rain might happen in a time. Rate complete cloud formation according to cloud of great vertical extent. Under these categories, there are 2 types, which is starting from 1.5 kilometers up to 9 kilometers above sea level. In these categories, there is consists of 2 parts or types of cloud, which is cumulus, and we have to discuss about cumulus. These are black cloud extending from near the ground level up to high level. They indicated unfair weather condition because they are black in nature, and they mainly indicate heavy rain, which is accompanied by thunderstorm. You can ask yourself, what is the meaning of thunderstorm? Thunderstorm, this is the word which is consisting of 4 things. There is lighting, there is the storm, there is the thunder, there is heavy rain. Light in Swahili is called radi. Storms, this is the strong windy, upepo mkali sana. Thunder, these are sound taking place wherever there is presence. Linaweza likalia bum bum bum, unaweza kukimbia sana. But heavy rain, this is the rain which is occurring for a short period of time, but can consist of more effect. It's taking place for a short period of time, but there is heavy or huge destruction. Therefore, in order to call this a thunderstorm, it could be consists of these things or 4 things. Therefore, thunderstorm, this is the charges of positive and the negative. I think you would describe more in the topic of precipitation, this subtopic. Cumulus, these are the clouds extending also from below the ground to high altitude, but not as high as the cumulus. They also indicate fair condition, as they sometimes appear whitish. Therefore, this cumulus, this is the kind of cloud which taking place to the great vertical extents, which are whitish in nature, and wherever will be whitish, therefore even the effect will be impossible. There is fairness.